Hi, welcome to everyone. This is Asem Han Zoologist and you are watching Asem Han Zoologist. Today we will talk about serious sign and symptom of dengue. Welcome to my channel where we prioritize your health and well-being. Today we are shedding light on a serious health concern, dengue fever. Before we dive into symptoms, let us understand how dengue is transmitted. Dengue fever often presents with symptoms such as high fever, severe headache, muscle and joint pain, nausea and rash. While most cases of dengue resolve on their own with rest and hydration, it's crucial to be aware of the serious signs and symptoms that may indicate a severe form of the disease. If you or someone you know experiences any of these warning signs, seek medical attention immediately. Severe dengue can lead to complications such as dengue hemorrhagic fever or dengue shock syndrome, which require prompt medical intervention. Prevention is key in combating dengue. Remember to eliminate mosquito breeding sites, use mosquito repellent, and wear protective clothing, especially during peak mosquito activity times. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness and help prevent the spread of dengue fever.